Welcome back, Diecast Outcast here. Today we're going to do a mail call and unboxing. I got a few boxes here and there. I thought I would open them up and show you what I got. First of all, I ordered a whole bunch of decals from Second Chance Redlines. Right here is a decal that I've got for a Redline Formula 5000. This casting is an Indy car from the early 1970s. I also grabbed some Gasser decals for a 33 Ford that I'm working on. We're going to call it the Orange Blast. I'm almost finished. Just got to put the decals on and seal it with clear coat again. I'm also working on a Hot Wheels Steamroller. It's another Redline. It's a lot like the Formula 5000. It's red, white, and blue. Matchbox Mark has put together a challenge for rescue vehicles. So I'm going to take this old rescue truck here and do some candy paint on it and put some nice wheels on it. We'll see how it turns out. Got these decals also at Second Chance Redlines. So William K7 Robinson sent me a couple Redlines he wanted me to redo for him. He wanted these both in red, so I'm going to work my magic and get these things painted up in a Spectra Flame red. Also got this in the mail today. It came from Lee at Time Riders, Wee Little Cars. I decided that I wanted to do one of the 64 Impalas with all the rest of the guys. We're going to put it out on Memorial Day. Also bought some wheels from Bright Visions, and these are very good quality. Bought the cap style wheels and the bearing style wheels. I'm getting ready to start working on all my Redlines. So a buddy of mine named Eric decided that he wanted me to build him a square body. He really liked this black one that I did. So I'm going to build him one here on the channel, but I'm going to put a little twist to it. I think I'm going to do black Spectra Flame. And he sent me a square body with a metal base. I'm going to strip it down and I might have to zinc plate it. We'll do a Spectra Flame black over the top of it. So in exchange, him and his son Gillian brought me a package personally. So if you follow me on TikTok, I did a challenge where we showed where we hid our hand sanitizer for this quarantine going on. I hid it over at his house in a tree trunk.
And now say, be careful, Diecast Outcast.
Be careful, Diecast Outcast.
I fuck with girls who fuck with girls, my bitch is all by bad bitch. Yeah, she hold it down. I leave for work, she turn my bed, say I got it down. Riding with that bad broad, I get it fast like NASCAR. I'm fucking on it, I go down just like Jerry Rice, got the whole bitch bang, bang, bang. 4 by 6 bang, bang, my top down, I swerve lanes, they on my balls, my chain hang. Savage be my damn name, all black bitch like I'm Batman. Got a gun, call that my bat ring, go turn that beat that.
Anyways, here is the box that was dropped off over at my father's house. And it says, contains raw bat suit, do not open. There's a little note inside, so we'll read it, see what it says. Dear Dio, Diecast Outcast, I couldn't spare a square of TP, so you're going to have to make do with this box of cars and the paper the note is written on. Your videos are helping during the quarantinic. Keep up the good work. Sincerely, Eric and Gideon. So we're going to open the box, see what he sent us. We first have the yellow square body with the metal base that we're going to use for the custom. I already have one here that's unboxed. Now I've got this little Volkswagen truck. This thing is pretty cool. And a 57 Ford wagon. Next we have the Toy Story Pizza Planet truck. It's a Toyota pickup. And of course we have a Buick Grand National, which he knows that I own. And I got a Mattel Dream Mobile. This is a 75th anniversary of Mattel toys. And another Volkswagen here that'll be perfect for a custom. And another custom, which is the Moon Eyes Volkswagen. Looks like it's kind of a race car. And we got a 69 Camaro, 50th anniversary for Hot Wheels. It is a 69 Camaro with real rider wheels on it. And I got this little paddle car that would make a sweet little custom. And this one's called a Project Sleeper. It's an odd casting, but looks like it'd be pretty fun to mess with. This one doesn't have a name on it, but it is a flat nose semi pickup with a huge motor on the back and a spoiler. And if I ever owned a road grader, this is exactly how it would look. Maybe with a different paint job and wheels. It'd be a good wheel swap and paint job. That's pretty funny, I really like it. And we got a little Woody. And I was surprised to see this rescue truck with a huge engine sticking out of it and some side pipes. You know, I'm thinking I may do this one instead of the one that I showed you earlier. And put the decals on it, painted a candy apple red and do all the decals, the details, and wheel swap on it. I think this will be the way that I go for Matchbox Mark's challenge. And now just for fun, I'll show you the second TikTok I did for the Where Do You Hide Your Stash challenge. And here is the Red Line Challenge information. If you guys are interested, please send me an email. This will go out on May 18th, 2020. Should be fun. Everybody's invited.
They're the fastest metal cars you've ever seen. Mattel's new Hot Wheels. Collect them by themselves or get them in wild new action sets like the Drag Race action set. the stunt action set. The Hot Curves race action set. Get Mattel's new Hot Wheels, the fastest metal cars you've ever seen.
What's up, everybody? This is Diecast Outcast here. We're going to do a challenge for National Red Line Day. May 18th, 1968 was the day that Hot Wheels released the first Red Lines Sweet 16 cars. So I'm going to issue this challenge, and all you got to do is either restore or do a custom on a Red Line from 1968 to 1977. You get bonus points if it is a Sweet 16 from 1968, which is what you're seeing here on the screen. Rules are simple. Build a Red Line Hot Wheels. Email me at diecast_outcast@yahoo.com so I can keep track of everybody. And if you don't mind, send me any more social media that you have, and I will add it to the list of people that is doing the challenge. You can catch me on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Stay tuned for updates. This is going to be a fun build.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.